Journal May Weekly Spreads. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Anna B and I like to create art for self-awareness and personal development purposes. In May's bullet journal spreads, I'll be using Beebeecraft's washi tapes that I received recently, and I also will leave a link to their YouTube partnership program if you're interested in joining the program to get your own free craft supplies. So this is the first time I'm using any type of washi tape, and I was really excited to add that to my journal spreads this month to add a little bit of color and design that is not all hand-drawn or handmade. Here you can see that I started to use the blue and the gold washi tapes. I did lose a little bit of footage, so I apologize about that, but you can also see that I used Beebeecraft's Flower of Life gold sticker to start my month off. I chose to add quotes for each week for this month. And the quote for the first week is, "The most creative act you will undertake is the act of creating yourself." This really resonates with me, and it is the exact type of mindset that I want to enter into May with. Here is the start of the second week of May, and I decided to keep every week for this month pretty simple, with the focus on using the washi tapes to accent my spreads and to add some type of inspirational quote to help me stay motivated, because I felt the last month I kind of lost a lot of motivation, and that has a lot to do with my own personal circumstances, with where I am in life and certain obstacles in my career that I'm currently facing. For the second week's quote, I chose the quote, "The moon stays bright when it doesn't avoid the night." For the third week, with the washi tapes from Beebeecraft, I decided to overlap two different washi tapes just to add a little bit of contrast into the washi tape designs. added a section for my notes just in case I wanted to give myself any reminders that wouldn't fit into my daily planning. I don't always do that for every weekly spread because I normally use my monthly spreads to do more of my habit tracking and scheduling with appointments and things that I need to keep track of for the month. So over on the top right corner here, you'll see that I chose to draw a very basic and quick line art eye design that will complement the quote that I chose for the 3rd week spread. Quote that I have here is, "All eyes do not see the same vision." For the last week, I decided to keep it pretty simple, and I just wanted to cut out the washi tape in 3 equal lengths. So I just measured out the first one with a rough measurement and then took the first strip and cut out the next 2 strips that I'll be using. After that, I cut out some excess, and I did use a small piece of the excess to add to that little gap that I had on that first strip over there. And for the last week's quote in May, I chose, "Dream, but don't sleep." I think that's pretty self-explanatory, and I really wanted that as my ending quote for May's weekly journal spreads. Alright, that is all I have for you this week. I hope you enjoyed these weekly bullet spread for my journal. Once again, if you're interested in joining the Beebeecraft YouTube partnership program, I will leave the link to that below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful souls in the next one. Bye for now.